Cosrx is such a popular brand, and it's really easy to see why. They have so many products that work for so many different people. So give this video a big thumbs up because today we're going to dive into a brand new Cosrx release, the Light Fit Real Water Toner to Cream. We're going to find out what the heck is a toner to cream. How do you use this? We're going to dive into the texture because it is pretty interesting. But ultimately, we're going to decide, is this product worth it? So the Cosrx Light Fit Real Water Toner to Cream is a product that claims to have a multi-purpose use. You can use it as your toner step or you can use it as your cream step. And it claims to benefit the skin by hydrating it, moisturizing and nourishing it, plus brightening up your skin. So let's dive into the ingredients list. And pretty high up on the list, you're gonna find seawater from Grandiose. Now, you may be wondering why seawater and what makes that more special than just regular old water. And there are a couple of reasons. Number one, seawater is packed with a bunch of minerals for your skin. Plus, seawater has the added benefit of helping to fight off the acne bacteria. But I think one of the main reasons why seawater is used in this cream very high up on the list is the fact that seawater is actually proven to help your skin fight moisture loss. It can help your skin retain more hydration. Now we also have hippofay-raminoids, which we've talked about before on this channel, and I am starting to see in a ton of K-beauty releases recently. It's becoming a very popular ingredient to use. And basically it is vitamin C. It's also known by sea buckthorn fruit, and it's actually an excellent source of vitamin C, E, and K, but it's incredibly high in vitamin C and it's full of antioxidants. And high up on the ingredients list, you're also going to find niacinamide, yours and my favorite ingredient. Niacinamide has a lot of benefits for skin. So it's also known as vitamin B3. Niacinamide, we know, can help brighten up your skin, really help to fix uneven skin tone, and you may know that it can also help enlarged pores. But did you know niacinamide can actually boost the effects of your moisturizer, which means that niacinamide can help your skin fight moisture loss. That is something that I did not know, but it definitely makes a lot of sense for it to be in this toner to cream product. Now, this product also contains 3 types of silicones that are here for skin smoothing, spreadability, and skin conditioning. Now, silicones have a whole host of benefits for the skin, and they also have a lot of functions for skincare products like texture and performance. And it makes a lot of sense for this product to have silicones in it, and I don't know if they'd be able to achieve the texture that they have without the use of silicones. But I do want to talk about the use of silicones in this product in just a little bit. Now, FYI, there is also bergamot oil in this. This seems to be like the K-beauty industry's favorite product to use for a little bit of light citrus fragrance. So just so you know, bergamot oil is here at the bottom of the list, just used for fragrance. So the texture. This might be why a lot of us are here. How the heck does this cream work, right? And that is definitely the question I had when I learned about this product. I was like, toner to cream. So it comes out as water, but it turns into cream? How does it do that? Does it come as a cream first and then it turns into water? Like, explain this to me. My mind cannot understand. How does this work? So I was really excited to get this, and the first thing I wanted to do was check out the texture. Now, it does come out kind of like a gel almost, and then as you just sort of start to like move it across your skin, it quickly feels like water on the skin, but it still clings to your skin. It spreads really well, but it feels very refreshing. It feels like a toner. It's a very bizarre experience. It feels like a toner as you spread it onto your skin, and it quickly dries down to like a cream finish, but a very dry cream finish. It's not greasy. I would never say the word emollient when describing this product at all. It's not emollient at all. It doesn't have any oiliness to it. It just kind of dries down to like a dry, kind of a occlusive finish, if you will. And it's a very lightweight feeling product on the skin. Now, I would liken this to the most lightweight lotion or cream that you've ever used. Very, very lightweight on the skin, but I wouldn't liken it to the weight of a lightweight toner, which is almost weightless. It's not quite that, it's a little closer to the lightweight feel of a cream. Okay, so let's talk about my experience using this product. And before we go any further, I just have to give you a spoiler alert. I did not like this cream at all. I really didn't like this product, and it's so disappointing to me because I was so excited for it, and it really did not impress me. And when I really thought about it, when I sat down to kind of gather my thoughts for this review, why I didn't like it, it really seemed to boil down to two really main, really big reasons why I didn't like it. So number one, I just didn't really know where this fit into my routine. So I first started to use it as a toner product. Now, I definitely lean on toners in my skincare routines. I have dehydrated, dry skin, and toners are really the product that I really rely on to give me a lot of hydration and to make my skin feel comfortable again. So I did use this as a toner step first, and I had to tell you, I just really didn't think it was all that hydrating. It definitely had some hydration to it, and the feel on top of my skin felt like water, which makes you think hydrating, but when it was on my skin itself, I just really didn't feel like super hydrated on my skin. So as a toner, it performed pretty poorly. So I decided to then use it as your cream because, again, this product really does claim to be used as a toner or a cream. So I decided to use it as my cream, and it's definitely not moisturizing enough to be used as a final layer, especially for dehydrated or dry skin. So I did find myself layering another moisturizer on over this. Now, basically as like a lotion step, maybe a step that comes before your final moisturizer, it was okay. Again, like I said, the moisturizing wasn't really out of this world or even enough for my skin. It really just didn't seem to moisturize my skin properly. So that was kind of the first reason why I didn't really like this product, because it just really didn't perform in either step in any kind of stellar way. But the second reason why I did not like this product, and I think is definitely a bigger problem in my eyes, is the fact that this did not layer well with other products in my skincare routine. And in fact, I think that it impacted the absorption rate of my other layers. So whenever I would use this, especially as my toner step and I was putting serums on top of it, I didn't feel like the serums were penetrating into my skin or absorbing into my skin as well as they did without using this product in my routine. And there was two side effects to that. The first one was the fact that it ended up drying out my skin because it wasn't allowing my serums, which helped to moisturize and balance my skin. Those weren't getting into my skin, which means I was missing out on that extra moisture, which ended up drying out my skin. My skin was feeling very dry while using this product. But the second sort of side effect of that is the fact that if your skincare isn't penetrating into your skin properly, that means it can't work properly, which means the effectiveness of your routine is going to go down. You're going to start to not see the benefits of your other products because they're not getting into your skin, and that is a big problem in my eyes. Now, I did want to kind of touch back on the topic of silicones, and this is why I wanted to talk about silicones. Because silicones can do a lot for your skin, but one of the things that they're really known to do is to create an occlusive barrier. Now, an occlusive barrier is just a way to lock down your previous skincare layers, hug them into your skin, and kind of keep them in place. And they really are best used in moisturizers because as a final step, you really want to just kind of put something on your skin that's going to lock things down. However, that means that things you put on top of the occlusive barrier will not absorb properly, right? Because we're creating a barrier. So it's going to be really hard for other things to penetrate through that. So for this product to use silicones and then to be used in the middle of a routine or early in a routine, in my eyes, it just doesn't really seem to serve a purpose early in your routine. So I definitely found that this product does not work for multi-step routines. And you may have the same question that I had. Well, what about minimal routines? You know, I do follow a 10 to 8 step routine, and I definitely know that that is not how everybody functions in skincare, right? Some people's skin wants more products, some people's skin do not want more products. And because this is a product that really is designed to kind of address that whole skip care trend, have you guys heard of that? Where, you know, one product can kind of replace 2 or 3 products in your routine. It saves you time and it saves you money. And I really think that this product is really designed to be kind of a skip care product. It's supposed to replace your toner and your cream. So I appreciate that this product probably isn't for 10-steppers like me, which is why I handed this over to my mom for testing. I wanted to get a second opinion because, as I said, I was not impressed, but maybe this product isn't for people like me. Now, my mom is not extra like I am. She is a 3-step person, maybe on a good day, you know, a 5-step, but mostly she does not use a lot of products. She's very minimal, which is why I asked her to test this out. Now, she used this mainly in the morning after washing her face and before a moisturizer. And she said she liked it, it helped her save time, and she felt like it dried down a lot more quicker than her other toner steps. However, she did report that after a couple of days, she realized that her skin was feeling a lot more dry throughout the day than it was before she started using the Cosrx product. So it definitely was not hydrating or moisturizing her skin enough like her other traditional toner product was. So that was definitely a downside for her. The other thing that she reported to me about using this cream was the fact that when she used it at night and she put another serum on top of it, she felt like it wasn't really like absorbing into her skin. She said that she felt like her skin was sticky after putting a serum on top of that, which was not something that she was experiencing before. She also said after a couple of weeks, she realized that maybe her serum wasn't working for her anymore, which is kind of something similar to what I experienced with my other layers not penetrating into my skin and therefore rendering them less effective. So this is a big no in my book. She also reported to me, and I agree, this product, it claims to brighten up your skin, but neither one of us saw any brightening benefits. So, final word on this product. I think that this product is a very cool concept, and I'm all on board for the idea of skip care. I think any product that can replace 1 or 2 or even 3 products in your skincare routine, saving you time and money, is a good thing, and we definitely need more products like that out there on the market. However, this product does not execute that idea properly in my book at all. I mean, we've got a product here that it doesn't really do the main claims that it says to do. It doesn't really hydrate enough, it doesn't moisturize enough, and it definitely does not brighten up your skin. Plus, we've got the problem of how does this fit into your routine? And once you do figure out how it fits into your routine, it really just seems not necessary, I guess. And I really do think that this product is very skippable. I really just don't think that it serves too much of a purpose. However, everybody is different. So if you do want to try this one for yourself, it retails for about $22 and you get 130 milliliters for that $22. This is available at yolse.com if you want to try this one for yourself. So let me know in the comment box below. What's one product that you were really excited about but ended up disappointing you in the end? Let me know in the comments. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I release 2 new skincare videos every single week, and if you ring the little bell, you'll get notified the next time I upload the new video. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, come on over to Instagram. I have a link to my profile in the info box below. Come over and say hi. I post there daily about my skincare routines. I do mini reviews, and I also introduce new products, so come on over to Instagram. I absolutely cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I can't wait to talk to you soon. Bye.